I recently learned about a new approach that requires you to simply view a video in order to earn $1 instantly. This technique has nothing to do with those nasty ads and will be effective in 2021. It also requires no prior knowledge on your part, and while I'll be teaching you several platforms, be patient and go all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So for today, LightGPT.com is the first of many sites that I will be showing you. This is a relatively new website that has only been around for a short time. However, it does have good Trustpilot reviews with a 4.4 star rating and over 700 reviews, as you can see. This, more than anything else, should demonstrate that we're dealing with a legitimate website and not a fraud. You can read all of these reviews yourself, but I'm not going to waste your time, so let's get back to the website. If you scroll down on this page, you'll find a section called Earners Benefits. And there are a few really good ones, which is one of the reasons I'm highlighting this site today. To begin with, there are more than 8 different ways to make money. As a result, this site isn't only dedicated to surveys. You can earn money in a variety of ways. So just below it, you can see that all you need is 50 cents to withdraw your money. This sets this site from the competition, as many sites you need to earn a significant amount of money before you can withdraw it. LightGPT.com, on the other hand, does not. Something really essential to us is included on this list. It says right here that you can withdraw in dollars. If you didn't know, you can withdraw your profits in dollars as well. I'll leave that decision up to you. Anyway, the rest of these perks include unlimited direct referrals, low-cost upgrade plans, daily bonuses, and the opportunity to earn money through passive income. The most common way users earn money on this site are listed to the right of these perks, and watching video ads is the most popular and, in my opinion, the greatest option. These are pretty high quality commercials, and this company pay LightGPT.com a lot of money to get their ads seen. As a result, you are paid for viewing them and you don't even have to watch them, which is my favorite aspect about it. Simply leave the video running in the background and you can go about your business. With that stated, if you scroll down, you'll notice the number of members this site has, as well as the amount of money they've given out, which is about 200,000 members and around $9,000. Below that, you'll find a list of services available on this site, which you can explore. But I'm not going to detail about it. Instead, I'd want to show you something that's right underneath the payment proofs. I'm presenting you this to remove any remaining suspicions you may have about this website. The second thing is to demonstrate that this works all around the world. Just look at all the countries represented on this page. There are people from Europe, Asia, and North America. This site is bringing in money from virtually all around the world. They are paid in a variety of ways, including through various payment methods and in cash. In any case, it makes no difference where you come from when it comes to this website. So if you wish to get paid in cryptocurrencies, you can use FaucetPay. So for FaucetPay, you'll need an account there. So go to faucetpay.io if you don't already have one, and click right here where it says sign up. You simply need to fill in your username, email address, and password, and then check the box indicating that you agree to their terms and conditions. Complete the CAPTCHA and click the sign up button, and that is it. After signing up, you can now receive cryptocurrency payments. If you don't want to create an account on FaucetPay just to get paid in Bitcoin, you may still earn money here. Hover your cursor over Earn, and you'll see offer walls, surveys, paid to click, and other offers that you can complete to get paid. So, after creating an account here, it's not a terrible idea to complete some of these and get some free money. Let's get back to LightGPT.com so that I can show you how to accomplish exactly what you want to do when you first go to this website, which is to create an account. So to do that, simply click on Register here, enter some basic information, complete this verification, check these two boxes, and click on Register, and you'll be good to go from there. As promised, I'll show you a variety of websites that you can use to boost your revenues. The second website is named bucksinside.com, and as soon as you land on their webpage, you'll find that they'll pay you straight right away. So you won't have to wait long to obtain your money. Furthermore, you must earn a minimum of $2 in order to receive your profits, which is higher than the previous website, but this is still worthwhile to utilize. So if you want to get paid in Bitcoin in this website, you must watch video advertising, just like on the previous site. Another thing this site has in common with LightGPT is that it is available in almost every country on the planet. As a result, you have people getting paid all around the world. Furthermore, I discovered on their payment website that some people have made hundreds of dollars. Obviously, it would have taken them a few weeks or a few months to get there. The point is that if you invest some time into this website, you can earn a lot of money. As a result, it is well worth your time. Examine these payments for yourself now. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Payments right here to be taken to this page. If you aren't interested in cryptocurrency, this site has a variety of payment choices for you to choose from. Other payment methods, such as PayPal, and others are available if desired. It's completely up to you. To get started, simply click on Register in the upper right corner. Make an account, and you'll be ready to go. So the next website is coinpayu.com. So right away, you'll notice that one of the fantastic things about this site is you have access to a variety of additional cryptocurrencies in addition to the ones you're familiar with. So you get paid to see ads once again, but this isn't the only thing in common with the previous platforms. If you go down a little, you'll notice that it also has a terrific review with separate perspectives from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond. These payment groups, which you can check out by going here, help to further establish that this site is a legitimate one. And one thing I enjoy about them is that you can click on these addresses and see that they're real payments, not a scam or anything like that, which is a very good feature. So you can also see right here payments for the other accessible cryptocurrencies. To get started with this site, simply click on Register right here, and then that's it. So, by using these websites that I mentioned, you can maximize your profit. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.